just going, you know? You're not thinking of anything. You're just listening to noises and hoping nothing fell out from underneath you and sender, you know?
Here's some great news today, guys. Great news today. Walt and Shorty are heading over here. Camera team, helicopters. We're going to go ride this thing today. It's finally coming off the table. I can't tell you how many months it's been on this table. It has been just nothing but trouble and chaos and trying to figure out. It's all a dream right now, right? It started right here somewhere. I want to take this old lawnmower and I want to turn it into a drag racing lawnmower with a snowmobile engine on it so that we can go 6,000 miles an hour. Guess what? We're probably not going to reach that goal, but I think we can go 30 or 40 miles an hour. So when they get here, we're going to unload this thing from the table the first time. I just got it running. And the first time I got it running after 7 years of sitting around here, it ran wide open and I thought I blew it up. I didn't. We're okay. We're going to see the hair scoop, the roll bar, the throttle, I don't know if any of this is going to work. The beauty of it is I could be on fire in about 10 seconds. I'm praying that Walt and Shorty brought their own helmets, and I'm telling you what, if I had a brain in my head, I'd go get my own helmet, but I'm not that smart. Don't move it yet. Wait. Is everybody lifting?
Yeah.
Let's try it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's not gonna be, I'm not bad. Are you guys bad?
Just remember your knees bent. Once this thing goes out, the hard part's not gonna be.
Do it the way Granddad did it. Use your back and lift it.
Well, I'm gonna. I think 4 of us in the back.
I say we call 4 crackheads from Mark Street.
1, 2, 3. And slowly down.
Watch up. Come on. There you go. Back.
Oh, legends, man.
That was way easier than I thought.
Legends, oh yeah.
So this is right here, Joel. Check this out. That's the only switch I have. That's go. No go. Go. Hang on. No go. So got one handbrake. It runs the jack shaft. I don't even know if it's going to even come close to stopping me. Get the bandages ready. If all else fails, I'm just going to kill it. You know what I mean? If it winds up on me, I can actually grab the throttle right here. I can grab the throttle.
Sorry. I'm trying to keep it running without running away from you. So you can hook it.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Just ride it up through the dirt before cops show up.
You can see the whole jack shaft jumping. You see that?
No, but I assume that's what that noise is.
That's not really what I was thinking about. I didn't notice it.
Well, at least I know that I knew that jack shaft might be a problem.
God, that thing is badass.
relatively decent. It feels like I'm skipping a tooth on about a mid throttle. It's got this clunk, and then I assume that's what that noise is. And then it catches in. Realize I couldn't keep, the last time I had this on another cart, I couldn't keep the chain on it. So the fact that it's still on there with turning and turning and turning surprised me. Throttle feels great, and it's returning. Steering in the line, it's a little scary. It's a little scary when you're getting up to speed. But I'm not that smart. I'm going to put it up for a minute.
How do you do?
Slow-mo! It worked! Kinda. Nevy dog! Got a little bit of work to do. Jack shaft is, I'll have to show you, but it's got some slop on the end of it. It's all pressure from force and inertia and a bunch of other words I don't know what they mean. And it's bending it down, and we're getting this. It's almost throwing the chain. It's chink, 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 chink. I think we'll get that. But I can tell you, speaking, it's one of those things we started, what, 6-7 months ago? We're finally getting it to where it's not done, but we got it out on the street. Shorty, what'd you think?
This thing's a damn hoot. It's the seat is surprisingly comfortable. It goes, man. It goes like stink. It goes way faster and a lot tighter than I thought it would. It might be nice to have a little bit of suspension because I'm kind of old.
You're kind of old.
Turning radius is a little iffy, but it's a dragster, so it's a lot of fun. Today was a super good testing day. We learned a lot, so we can make a bunch of progress from here.
Yeah, crazy shit back there. So, Walt, you got to ride it. What'd you think?
It was the most terrifying lawnmower I've ever owned in my life. Maybe not good for landscaping, but it's good for blowing gaskets.
Man, yeah. I still think it's funny that we have a mower deck on there for almost absolutely no reason. Well, we officially know, according to a GPS phone, Shorty, what was it?
30.2.
30.2, and I wasn't on it. I would say I was 3/4 of the way down on that throttle, and Shorty rode it instead of full throttle. It kept dying on him, which I didn't notice that. But
Yeah, when I pegged it,
I noticed a little bit on me, so I had to find a happy median about 3/4 of the way.
Yep.
Well, it's got to go all the way wide open.
Yeah.
It probably plugs. I told you I needed new plugs. I found some plugs recently, and I cleaned them, and it's not good. Cool thing, I don't know if we talked about it, I got a cup holder back in it, and of course we're going to put a, well, I'm not going to tell you. You'll have to see that when we get it done.
We endorse drinking and driving.
And yeah, well, I didn't say it was a beer. It could be a Diet Mountain Dew.
I'll shut up.
Yeah.
Butt dyno, how did it feel? Butt dyno, how did it feel?
Oh,
I said it was going 30. How'd you think it was going?
I thought it was going pretty good. It felt like 30. That's what you're asking, yeah. I mean, it feels faster when you're on it because it's so much lower on the ground. So it kind of just, the whole thrill experience of it kind of just takes all mechanical thought in your brain out of the way, and you're just going, you know? You're not thinking of anything. You're just listening to noises and hoping nothing fell out from underneath you and sender, you know?
Awesome. And Shorty, what was your thoughts, man? How did it feel? I know you said 35, but I'm hearing feelings of 90.
No, not on this one.
Butt dyno.
Feelings of 90. Yeah, well, I don't know him 90, but I mean, you know, he's a motorcycle guy, I'm a motorcycle guy, so you're dyno.
My butt dyno, I don't know, man. I think I got it up to like 35.
Yeah?
I do, because I was full on for a good stretch on 2 or 3 passes.
He didn't have his GPS on, though.
The GPS turned off. The thing that was going through my mind the most was, how much space do I have left to slow down and turn around? We don't want to overheat the brakes for brake fade. So you got to let off the throttle pretty early because the end of the road's coming. So it was trying to do a balance of like hammer on it and send it and see how fast you can get it without crashing into the nice neighbor at the end of the street.
Walt came close to turning around in the middle of the street. I couldn't even come close. He was leaning really hard, I saw. I didn't lean. I didn't lean. So, Abe, when you get to ride this, what do you think?
You get to ride it.
Or when you do.
When you get your driver's license.
Pass the safety courses first.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I thought about halfway down the street, probably would have been a good time for a helmet, but I'm not that smart.
Just some growing pains, you know.
Yeah.
Just gotta stretch your legs and get oriented. And
Anyway, we got more to do, so we'll check you later.
Everybody wave out if you guys can. Wave that way. And